As part of the construction of a double-track railway tunnel in Drammen, Norway, ÖSTU-STETTIN constructed an inner tunnel lining measuring approximately 6 kilometers long. For the concreting stage, ÖSTU-STETTIN employed the latest generation of arch formwork systems. For an arch of 26 meters, it was possible to use segments measuring 12 meters long. Construction of the concrete vault was executed in a hit-and-miss sequence. ÖSTU-STETTIN is recognized globally for its exceptionally robust and reliable specialist equipment, and is among the very best tunnel construction companies in the world when it comes to inner tunnel lining. The contract in Norway also included the excavation and construction of a tunnel for the second section, UDK02. Loose ground precluded the use of conventional blasting and tunnel boring machines. As a result, a tunnel excavator with a hydraulic hammer and drum cutter was deployed for the excavation. The final meters of the tunnel had to be excavated in mixed face conditions, a combination of loose soil and rock that required blasting. After 8 months of excavation work, a final blast led to the team breaking through. Approximately 2.5 years of construction work was needed before the 6-kilometer double-track railway tunnel was complete. In finalizing this project, ÖSTU-STETTIN added Scandinavia to its list of regions in which it has successfully put its expertise and reliability to the test, with impressive results. ÖSTU-STETTIN builds everything.